Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook! Today I will show you my version of a tropical punch. Here are the ingredients. In a jug, pour in the Minute Maid frozen orange juice. And Minute Maid orange juice. And mix well. Then add passion fruit juice, mango juice, and pineapple juice, and stir until it's well blended. Now fill the remaining by adding in equal amount of orange crush and ginger ale. Then mix well and serve. Today I have shared with you a recipe I created over 12 years ago. It is a hit at every function that I have at home. And so now I'd like to share this with you and I hope you will enjoy it as well. In an event for 20 to 30 people, double the amount. Keep it cold for the taste bud effect and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.